Hello. I tried to add an effect system to my app. It went not great. I'll show you how I did it, but it's not going to be a tutorial or exactly a how-to.
We'd like to take a moment to announce all our food keeps blowing.
So, UI. I tried to do a scratch-like system. I spent more than 5 hours of trying to get it working before I decided not to. Then I tried doing a blueprint system, which I stopped after only an hour. Finally, I stuck with the design. A very simple one click to add an effect, one click to remove an effect, with sliders to finely tune. Just that. I did this whole UI system in under an hour and a half. This also includes duplicating my code another 6 times for 6 effects. These effects are compression, delay, distortion, gain, gating, and reverb.
They're twisty so.
Now, backend. Let's go through the path the effect goes through. It starts off by getting parsed into a much simpler text in Rust. This text gets sent over to C++ for it to actually do the audio, along with whatever else the audio processor needs. It does loads of stuff like initializing and starting capture and render clients. After starting the clients, it goes through each channel the render client expects and initializes an effect manager for each channel with the simple text from Rust. We'll talk about what an effect manager is and what it initializes. In the loop, the most recent buffer is captured off the render client. This buffer is resized and resampled for the render client. The buffer is sent into the effect manager to render. Finally, this rendered buffer is fed into the render client to play out of your speakers, headphones, etc.
Cue sandwich violence.
Now the effect managers. When it initializes, it reads through your effects and turns them into a vector of effects. When you call that effects manager to render, it passes the buffer into the effects in whichever order your effects are in. Each effect does slightly different things. Compression makes the loud buffers quieter if it passes threshold and leaves the quiet buffers normal. Delay captures incoming samples and only outputting them after their fixed time is up. Distortion amplifies the signal and passes through hyperbolic tangent and normalizes the result. Gain multiplies the buffer to make it louder and clamps it. Gating silences the buffers quieter than threshold. Reverb adds an echo by adding delayed buffers but quieter and continuously feeding them back in. After these are all added on, you should be able to hear some effects. Hello, there's me trying with compression. Hello, there's me. Hello, there's me trying with distortion. Hello, there's me trying with gain. Hello, there's me trying with gating. Hello, there's me trying with reverb. If you want to try this out for yourself, it's in an app I'm making called Voice. The link is in the description. Bye.